Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to replace a new Honda Odyssey Key Fob battery. This will be an easy tutorial with step-by-step instructions. Once again, the topic of this video will be me specifically showing you and telling you. I'll be telling you, but I'll be showing you the steps for the following. I will be showing you how to replace a new Honda Odyssey Key Fob battery, and this will be an easy tutorial with step-by-step instructions. So let's get into this easy tutorial with step-by-step instructions showing you how to replace a new Honda Odyssey van Key Fob battery. Let's get into this. I know I said that title many times, but we're going to get into this right now. So essentially, I previously many years ago did a video on how to replace a Honda Odyssey Key Fob battery. It was an older Odyssey. To be honest with you, it was my sister's van, and she had, I can't remember the year, but it was like 2005 to 2010, that model year. I have a 2022 Honda Odyssey, and the Key Fob looks like this, slightly different. So essentially, this is how to replace the Key Fob battery in a newer style Honda Odyssey, which is this one right here. So very, very easy to do for the most part. You want to start off by removing what I like to call the secret key. So to remove that key, you want to slide this lever to the side and then pull this little piece here out. So I'm going to slide the lever to the side, pull that out. What I've done now, and I'll put this just over here so I don't lose it. What I've done now is I've gained access to the interior panel, and I need to pry these two pieces apart over here. So as you can see right here, I'm going to pry these two pieces apart. You can use a screwdriver. Honestly, if you just get your fingers in there and you give it a good pull, you can pry them apart relatively easily. There we go. Okay. Now you have one side, which is the back end of it. Okay. And you keep this in a safe location, but there's nothing here. And then what we have is the other side here, which is the main component. This is the side that has all of these buttons here. So you can see there's a battery here, and to replace the battery, honestly, it's really easy. The battery size is CR2032, so CR2032. That's the size of the battery, the type of the battery. It's like that coin button cell battery, whatever you want to call it. And the positive side faces out. Okay, so you just use a screwdriver or your finger to pop this battery out, and then you put a new battery in place. You slide it in place. Really, really easy to do. Make sure you're sliding it towards this. So slide it towards this part here. So when you pop it out, you want to push up sort of towards this area here, and then angle it out. And when you're sliding in, you want to slide towards that area there. Once again, slide towards this, and then push it down in place. Once it's in place securely, you take your back end of it, you pop them back together. Okay, very, very easy. Just give it a nice click like this. Give me a second here. There we go. Make sure it's all nice and lined up and clicked in place properly. And then you get your little hidden key and you just slide it back in place and make sure that it clicks in place. You'll see that lever snap. There you go. And give the key a pull just to make sure it doesn't come out. That's it. That's how to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.